It goes without saying freedom is undoubtedly one of the fundamental parts of human's life. It shapes the form of your personality, makes you who you are. But with freedom there comes a fair amount of responsibilities, which raise a number of questions. What does freedom lead to? Does it lead to instability and anarchy, or to secure and reliable society? This essay demonstrates my vital opinion about freedom. You will learn how it affects on our lives and my thoughts about Mikhail Nikolaev's position in his book, I Choose Freedom and Human Rights. From my point of view, the main part of freedom affects not just on our actions, it has an influence in some national features. In the example of Mikhail Nikolaev's presidency, he chose freedom not only as an abstract concept, but as an embodiment for his leadership. As the Republic of Saha's president following the collapse of the USSR, Nikolaev chose a path of liberty and self-determination for his people. The decision to promote sovereignty and freedom helped people to foster their unique cultural traditions and economic potential. We are able to see the reflection of freedom's power in shaping communities. Freedom lends to an autonomy, a key to unlocking human potential. It provides individuals with the liberty to make their choices, live per their values and further their aspirations. Agreeing with the position of Nikolaev, allow me to value freedom as a catalyst for human and social growth. It builds an exploratory spirit, spurring creative genius, birthing innovation, and fostering flourishing communities. However, freedom must not be translated into anarchy. The definition of freedom, it is not an absence of regulation, it is the presence of responsible self-governance. Freedom that devoid of ethical considerations, social norms, and respect for others' rights could spur instability and confusion in society as well as in government. Hence, freedom in its most profound sense involves recognition and respect for the inalienable borders that protect the dignity and rights of others. Development of Saha's Republic under Nikolaev's presidency exemplifies the transformative and positive power of freedom. It led to facilitated cultural preservation and a balanced and prosperous society. In conclusion, looking back at the life and work of Mikhail Nikolaev, it provides a valuable insight into freedom's irreplaceability. As stated in his book, I Choose Freedom and Human Rights, while freedom fuels human progress, it must be taken into account the collective rights of men. It is symbiotic interactions between individual liberties and societal consolidations that pave the way for flourishing, prosperous, and equitable communities. Thus, freedom, when channeled responsibly, leads to this stability rather than anarchy. The concept of freedom, therefore, gives life not just meaning and purpose, but also the promise of a better future.